Hello, my name is Dr. Morgan Cutlip. I'm a PhD in psychology, mom, relationship educator, and author. If you are expecting or just welcome a new baby, there's something really important I want you to know. If you're feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or not like yourself, I want you to know it's normal. Parenthood brings this major shift: loss of freedom, increase in responsibilities, disconnection from yourself, and a mental load that is seemingly never ending and so difficult to explain. Here are 3 things that can help. First, do a daily self-check-in. Ask yourself, what do I need right now? Just 5 minutes to breathe, stretch, step outside is such a powerful reset. Think of it as microdosing self-care. Second, use support tools that offer some peace of mind. The Momcozy baby monitor helps you reclaim freedom without the worry, because you can always keep tabs on your little one. The Momcozy sound machine makes rest easier, and the Momcozy baby swing gives you these hand-free moments that really matter. Third, you have to share the mental load. You don't need to carry it all alone. Your life and all the responsibilities on your plate have literally changed overnight. The more you and your partner feel like a team as you're tackling all of life's new responsibilities, the more supported you will feel. Try meeting either every morning or every evening for 5 to 10 minutes and ask each other what each of you needs and how you can best support each other. This can help to normalize making requests of one another, minimize miscommunications, and help you to feel on the same page as you're navigating this really massive transition. And if you're feeling persistently anxious, low, or disconnected, I urge you to please reach out to a professional. You're not alone, and there are things that can help.